Hey, my name is PJ. I'm here in my bathroom in Exeter in the southwest of England. And before I carry on, I should just let you know that my partner is filming this. So if you hear any laughter or the screen starts shaking, that is her. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a textured matte look using a couple of my favorite O'Dowd's products. The first one I'm going to be using is their matte paste, which is a really nice water-based clay type kind of paste. And the second one is the texture powder dry shampoo. I absolutely love these products because they're vegan, they're all natural, they're made by hand, and that is something that is really cool and actually kind of difficult to come by, especially here in the UK. So I love buying from them and supporting a great indie business. So I'm going to crack on with the actual demo. So for the matte paste, I'm going to be using a really small amount to start with. You can always add more if you need to. So just like kind of barely more than a pea-sized amount, really. I'm just going to spread that evenly throughout my hands. And then I'm going to start at the back and work forward. So I'm going to start around the crown and just kind of ruffle that and spread that out evenly as I go. Finish up at the front. Just make sure you get it kind of evenly distributed. Now you could just leave it at that. As you can see, it gets tons of nice texture in there. And the more you kind of scrunch up, the more texture you get. But I really like just adding a little bit of the powder to get that really nice dry look as well. The way I use the texture powder is I'll do a couple just really little shakes. I'm running a little low, but that should just about be enough. Couple little shakes in the hand, and then I do this part of my head. Couple more shakes, and the back. Couple more around the other sides. And lastly, just finish off in the front.
You forgot to say.
And then that's it. You just really, what did I forget to say? Yeah, I really like using these on my hair because it's very fine, and other products can make this really make my hair look really greasy, which is really typical for fine hair for a lot of products to do that. But with these two products together, I can get a really nice matte, proper matte finish. So yeah, just give it a good scrunch. Get the look you want, and that's really all there is to it. So go forth. Look good, feel good, be kind, and damn the man.